Yes, please mute yourself. Any question is there, you can ask. Really, you can ask. Don't hesitate.
14, 16, 17.
Yes, please mute yourself. So remember one thing, this is the first polytechnic subject apart from maths, physics and chemistry. Those students who are perfect at the end of the classes, directly we are going to place you people in the company with this subject. Remember my word, okay? Only thing you must know how to generate the alternating current. In your house, let us say, uh, tailor shop you might have seen, their sewing machine will be there, automated machines. With that machine also we can generate the alternating current. So please mute yourself, all of you, those who have joined. The student is having the question, then you unmute and you ask. Please mute yourself. Right. Now come on. So let us take this 2 marks questions. So what is a cycle? Simple definition, the combination of positive of and negative of is called one full cycle. So next definition we are taking is the time period. Okay, they will ask you define time period. What is a time period? If you see this graph, all the students, let me play this one. Yes, if you see this graph, it has got the minimum value and the maximum value. The time taken to complete one full cycle. What is a cycle? Cycle is a combination of positive of and negative of. The time taken to complete one full cycle from minimum position to maximum position is called the time period denoted by T. So what is the time period? The time taken to complete one full cycle from minimum position to maximum position. So now we say, so what is the definition of time period? Every definition is present inside the graph. Okay, the time taken by the current to complete a cycle is called the time period. That's one line answer only. Okay, so why you are studying all these definitions means AC current contains positive of and negative of. So you must take. Now you see all of you this graph. So what is the symbol of time period? T, and T is inversely proportional to the frequency. T is equal to 1 by F. This formula you have to remember. T is equal to 1 by F. Now next definition is frequency. So frequency says that, see all of you in general I will tell you. If I am just saying hello in simple language, then my frequency is less. Frequency sense number of signals per second, number of cycles per second. If I'm saying loudly hello in that manner, then my frequency is increased. Whenever you are shouting, your voice frequency is increasing. Whenever you are speaking with low value, your frequency is low. So what is a frequency? Number of cycles per second. In 1 second, how many cycles have been created? So you must remember, in India, when we are generating the AC current, there are 50 cycles per second. 50 cycles. That's why the frequency in India is 50 hertz. Unit of frequency is hertz. HERTZ. Okay. Here we have written. In 9th class also we are having 9th and 10th. Okay. The number of cycles per second in 1 second is nothing but the frequency. Unit of frequency is hertz. And again the formula is F is equal to 1 by T or T is equal to 1 by F. So in India, how many? What is the frequency value in India? All of you? Just now I mentioned.
50
It is
hertz.
50, practically 50. So we'll see later on why it is only 50. In USA, America, it is 60 hertz. Okay, right. So for time being, remember the value, then we'll see. Now this definition, next definition is important. Instantaneous value, or value means it is correct. Define instantaneous value. So what is the instantaneous value? See, this is the graph. Okay?
Initial value.
Instantaneous, okay, initial I can, it is okay, but still accurately we have tried. The value of the current at any period of time. So from morning to evening we are generating AC current. If somebody asks you what is the value of the current at afternoon 12 p.m., then you can say the value of the current at 12 p.m. exactly is called the instantaneous at any period of time. So once you can draw the graph, the green color graph what you have drawn, you can draw at once. and you can write one line answers. The value of the current at any period of time is called instantaneous current. Now you have to remember one thing. AC current, another name I'm telling you, bidirectional, since it flows in two different directions. Another name mathematically it is sine wave. Sine wave, W-A-V-E. Why it is called wave? Because it is flowing continuously. So the trigonometric function in terms of trigonometric equations, we can call the AC current as sine wave. So what is the formula for instantaneous current? Okay. So all of you, please remember now, I is equal to Im sine omega t. I will explain this equation right now within 1 minute. What is the formula? Instantaneous current, value of current at any period of time, and the formula is I is equal to Im sine omega t. Omega, everything I will explain. Now let us move to the next definition. Okay, now we'll come to the first definition, again the basic here. Now first we have to study this definition. So which definition you are able to see on the screen? Maximum value. Okay,
Maximum value.
maximum value. Yes, see all of you, another name for maximum value. See, value means current. It can be current here. So it is also called crest value, peak value, or amplitude. Amplitude means the strength. Magnitude or amplitude, they are nothing but the strength, intensity. So what is the definition? Highest value or highest position reached by the current in a off cycle. It is one line. It is the highest value attained by the current or voltage in a off cycle. So in one off cycle, let us say this is positive off cycle. This is the highest position. You can write simply. All right. Okay. Highest value attained by the current in a off cycle is called the maximum value or peak value. It is represented by I suffix m or V suffix m. Okay, Vm or Im. So what is the definition? Maximum position or highest position reached by the current during off cycle, during positive off cycle or during negative off cycle. It is called the maximum value. Okay. So if you see the AC current, now the green color figure we are showing once again. If you see the AC current, it has got positive off and it has got the negative off. Okay. So what is the first definition? Peak value. Peak value or maximum value. What is the definition of maximum value? Anyone, student? Highest position.
The highest amplitude of the wave.
Very good. Highest amplitude or highest position reached by the wave or the current. Current only we are saying it as wave. Okay, is called the maximum value. Okay. Now we have taken what is the time period. Here it is their periodic time. Time period is what? Time taken to complete one cycle. One cycle is a combination of positive off and negative off. Okay. So
negative
now,
off.
yes, now we move to the frequency. Frequency is number of cycles passing per second.
Number of cycles per second.
Yes, very good. Now we move to the next definition, average value. Okay, average current or average value. All are 2 marks questions here from this unit. So let me put the average value. So if I'm asking what is the average of your subjects, means what is the formula? Average means number of subjects and marks scored in all subjects. Now you see all of you, what is the average value of this curve, which is positive off and negative off. So average value is taken as, all of you see here, no need to take this formula. Okay, don't get confused. Average current is equal to area of the curve by length of the curve. Remember the formula. Average current is equal to area of the curve by length of the curve. We will see this one in the mathematics. So remember one formula. We will derive this one in second unit. Average current value is 0.67 into maximum value, Im. Here second one which I am highlighting right now, that formula you remember. I average equal to 0.67 into Im. You can ask one question, sir, why I remember 0.67 only? There is one derivation. Whether it is there for you in the syllabus or not, we'll see. But extra point is average after the definition, area of the curve by length of the curve. Length means what? What it is traveling point from minimum position to maximum position. Okay. So average, yes, average value. See, this graph is starting from 0 and it is reaching certain value. What is that value? We'll see later on. So it is the total area here, length. So I average equal to 0.67 into maximum value. So next one, remember this value. See, this is positive of cycle and negative of cycle. Okay. What is the total average means? Positive is plus sign, negative is minus sign. Plus minus, what will happen? Let us say this is plus 5 volts. 5. This is minus 5. You just add, anyone tell me? Add plus 5 and minus 5. What is 0? Very good. That's why
0.
average value of pure AC current is how much? 0. Average value
0.
of pure AC current is always 0. So if somebody asks you, if somebody shown you the AC current, somebody says that AC current is flowing through the wire. What is the average value of that AC current? Average value of pure AC current. Pure AC current is equal portion of positive of and equal portion of negative of. Average value of pure AC current is always 0. If the AC current is not pure, what is the value of that average value? 0.67 into IM. Okay. So we'll remember for time being the value. Next definition. RMS. I think in right. RMS. You just remember, all of you. This is very important definition. So we put it in the practical manner. RMS value or RMS current. Okay. So what we have written? RMS. R means root, square root. Root of the mean. MEAN. Mean means in 10th class you are having no mean, median, mode. So mean means average.
Yes, sir.
Root of the mean of the square of the current. So simple, you have to full form this one. Root of the mean of the square of the current. So what is RMS current? We are having AC current and DC current. AC current is a combination of, all of you remember, AC current is a combination. Draw the AC current means you will draw positive off and negative off. So AC current is a combination of how many currents? Instantaneous current. Please mute yourself. You should never get any disturbance. Instantaneous current, maximum current, RMS current, average current, peak current. Okay. Now, RMS current is the true current, is the real current which performs the real work. What do you mean by this word real work? Whenever RMS current flows through the bulb, then only the bulb is on. Whenever RMS current flows through the fan, then only the fan is on. So RMS current, what is this RMS current? Last line, what we have written, anyone read out? What is this line? RMS current is
a part of AC current which
performs real work.
real work.
Right. That means in our house I am having the fan. I am giving 10 amperes of current to the fan. So out of 10 amperes, let us say I am saying 8 amperes only RMS. So 8 amperes RMS is only useful to turn on the fan. Remaining 2 amperes is not doing the real work. Okay. So RMS current is a part of AC current, which AC current means positive off and negative off. RMS current is a part of AC current which performs the real work, which will turn on the bulb. So RMS current, what is the next definition, next line? RMS current behavior is similar to the DC current. That's why we require RMS current behavior is equal, means it is equivalent to which current? DC current.
DC current.
So whatever the job done by the DC current, it will be done by the RMS current. I will show you the RMS current right now with the graph. So what is the definition here? One more definition. RMS current is the real current or true current which performs real work. So what is the proof that real work is done? So if current flows through the bulb, when the bulb is on, in your house also you touch that bulb, all of you, after a certain period of time. What happens to you? Your hand gets heated up. Yes or no? You will feel the sensation of heat energy. So that is a proof that RMS current is flowing. So whenever RMS current flows through the wire, flows through the bulb gets heated up. Okay. So RMS current produces, what it produces, anyone read out? Same amount of heat and perform same amount of work done by the DC current. Right, very good. So RMS current produces the same amount of heat. Whenever RMS current flows through the bulb or flows through the wire, after a certain period of time, if you touch that wire gets heated up. So that is a proof that RMS current is flowing. So RMS current, another name is real current or true current, and it is a part of AC current which performs the real work. And you can add this one, it produces the same amount of heat which is similar to the DC current. So DC current is coming from which elements? Anyone tell me? Which elements generate DC current?
Batteries.
Solar cells. Okay, right. For the time being, 2 examples. So which elements are generating AC current?
Water. Air.
Very good. Air, water. So generator. Remember, generator generates AC current. Generator. So where we are generating AC current? Wherever Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. You might have heard the name. Yes, sir, all of you. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, Srisalam Dam. There we are generating the AC current. From that place, you might have seen the poles and wires everywhere, throughout the roads everywhere. So from Nagarjuna Sagar Dam and Srisalam Dam, we are transmitting that currents to our houses. That's why near your house, you are having the poles and the wires. Anybody house is not connected to pole and house? Anyone tell me? Any student? Any student, your house is not connected to pole and wires? No, all the houses are connected to the poles and the wires. We get electricity through the poles. So from Nagarjuna Sagar Dam and Srisalam Dam, we are getting that current. So RMS current. Now, I will show you one graph, you will understand. This is the most important thing. Okay. So remember, you can write all the definitions. So let us wait. Yes. So what is AC current? Any student tell me? What is AC current? The current which flows in 2 different directions and which always changes with time is called the AC current. This is the graph. Okay, it contains positive off and negative off. Why we are getting positive off and negative off? Because conductor rotates under North Pole. Conductor also rotates under South Pole, 2 different directions. South Pole. Very good, very good. So tomorrow I'll show you one video. With that video, you can also generate the alternating current in your home with low cost only. Okay, right. So what we require to generate AC current? Anyone student tell me? What we require to generate AC current? We require, to generate DC current, we require batteries and solar. To generate AC current, what we require? We require magnets, magnets and conductor, copper. In electric shop, any electric shop you can ask, give me the magnets and give me the conductor. He will give, and connect that conductor in the rectangular shape, and we have to rotate. So how to rotate? We got different techniques. Okay, I'll show you the video also practically. Now AC current is the graph. We are the Polytechnic engineers. We have to explain all the equations. Now, what is the first name you are seeing on the screen? Top. Peak value. Peak value, another name is what? Maximum value. You can write in the brackets current I, or you can write the voltage. Anything you can write. So what is the definition of peak value? Anyone tell me peak value or maximum value? Highest position attained by the current. Highest position attained or highest position reached by the current. Any word you can write. The meaning should be right. Okay. This is the highest position. Highest position reached by the current during off cycle, any off cycle. Next, which current you are seeing on the screen now? RMS. Okay.
RMS value.
Now RMS, they have shown certain dotted lines. That means what I mentioned, RMS current is a part of AC current. That's why RMS current is a portion or it is a part of AC current. So RMS current is a part of AC current which performs the real work. So what is the formula for RMS current? 0.707 into V maximum or V peak. Here Vm, this is okay. Vm you can remember. 0.707 into Im or Vm. Okay. RMS value you remember 0.707 into Im. Im means what? Maximum current. Okay. Next, which current we are having? Average current. Always average current is less than RMS current. Okay. So only remember the values. This is the common line. Now that finishes this explanation. Frequency. Peak to peak. Anybody can define this one word? Peak to peak value. The value of
the distance between the highest peak of the wave from lowest peak of the wave.
Very good, very good. Excellent, excellent, very good. Yes, we can write in that manner. As it is, we will get the complete words. By after drawing the diagram, you have to draw. So from peak to peak means from positive peak to negative peak. The value of the current from positive peak to the negative peak is called peak to peak. Let us say I am saying positive peak is 2 volts and negative peak is 2 volts. What is peak to peak value? 2 plus 2. We should not subtract. Both are
4.
yes, 2 plus 2 4. If let us say I am saying positive peak is 5 and negative peak is 6. What is the total peak to peak value? 5 plus 6 or
11.
11. Okay?
11.
11. So in that manner it will be there. We should not consider it is flowing in opposite direction. So now this is what the simple 2 lines definitions, and in your material also we are having. So we say these are the, so AC current. AC current is a combination of how many currents all of you see? Peak current, RMS current, average current and peak to peak current. Now I hope you understood why we are studying all these definitions. So draw AC current means okay, AC current is drawn. But AC current is a combination of peak current or maximum current, RMS current, average current and peak to peak current. So what is the AC current? Another definition, the current which flows in two different directions in positive of and negative of is called the AC current. So what is the use of AC current? AC current is only transmitted through the poles, through the wires. All the objects which are rotating, they take only AC current. So all of you, one question I am asking. NASA, ISRO, all people have remember the word ISRO? Have you listened
Yes,
to
sir.
the word ISRO? ISRO, they are going to send
Yes, sir.
Indian Space Research Organization. They are sending the satellites into the space. So those satellites take which current, AC or DC? AC. Any
AC, sir.
object which is rotating or which is moving from one place to another place, it takes 100% AC current only. Okay. Electric trains or MMTS also works with AC and DC, but AC current is transmitted for long distance. Remember, AC current is transmitted for long distance. One more example, you tell me where AC current is taken. Movie theaters. Movie theaters take AC current or DC current?
AC current.
AC current only. Picture is moving. It is dynamic. It is moving. It is not constant. Okay. Now, all of you might have gone to the exhibition, right? Giant
Yes,
wheel you
sir.
might have seen. They are
Yes,
going to
sir.
rotate. Yes. Giant wheel is rotating. It takes
Yes,
which current?
sir.
AC current or DC current? Rotating means
AC
100% it is AC current. So
AC current.
all the machines. Yes. Now I'm telling you, robo, it is a practical robot. Robot is moving, it is walking, it is rotating. So which current it takes? Robot. Robot takes
DC.
Robot takes all of you. If it is constant, it is powered by DC. But for rotating option, it requires the AC current. So remember,
AC current.
yes, AC current. So these are the definitions you can study. But let me take one last definition, which is very important. Okay, let me share this one. See, this class recordings, all of you. One student, you just message me separately. Class recordings, whatever the audio explanation is there, in YouTube I am uploading. Okay, I will share that YouTube link, and that student you share it to your friends. Don't post in that all people group. Okay, separately you can share with your friends. Okay, today material I will share. Any student you can message me. I will share that YouTube link, the class recording. This definition is the last definition in the unit 1. Now I am sharing that one. Let us take a 1 minute time. 1 second. All of you on the screen, what is visible? Blue color figure or a green color one? Now it is
Blue color, sir.
Right.
Blue color, sir.
It is moving
color,
or it
sir.
is constant?
Moving, sir.
Sir.
Very good, very good.
Moving,
So
sir.
yes. See that the diagram is circular part. No need to see. To the left, what you are able to see, positive and negative. Yes or no? Positive of and negative of you are able to see.
Wave,
Wave. Yes.
negative wave.
Negative as well as positive. You can see that one. It is rotate, moving. Yes or no? Positive and negative. We are going to get.
Yes, sir.
So now our definition is phase. No need to draw this diagram in examination. Only for your understanding I'm taking. You can see all of you, there are two definitions. So second definition is what? It is the advanced one. What is another name for AC current? Bidirectional current. Another name in terms of trigonometric, what is the name? Sine wave. AC
Sine wave.
current, yes, another name of AC current is sine wave. Wave
Sine
is,
wave.
yes, wave means when we have to say the word wave, because that current flows through the wire continuously, 24 hours. That's why it can also be called as a wave. So phase, what is the definition of phase? Phase of a sine wave or AC current represents new angular position. Or first you see the first definition, phase represents new position of AC current or sine wave from its initial position in angular direction. See, AC current is rotating here. Okay, so what is the new position of AC current from its initial position, which is displaced from its initial position, is called the phase. So always current is not constant at one place. Current rotates through the wire. Current can even flow in circular direction. That's why when an object is rotating in circular direction, we take it as the angular. So phase represents new position of AC current or sine wave from its initial position in angular direction or in circular direction. Another definition is what? Phase of a sine wave or AC current represents new angular position. See, initially it is at 0, but it is moving. So what is the new position? That new position is named as the phase. Okay, is it clear all of you? Phase of a sine wave is the new position, new angular position displaced from its initial position. What is the initial position? It is the origin, 0, it should be there. Okay, right, this is a simple definition. Now we move to the last definition, the next slide. First you see the animation, you will understand what is amplitude, what is a wavelength. Animation is playing. Anyone student confirm? Yes, it is playing, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, it's playing.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. All of you, in the place of displacement, you can put the current I. You can put. Okay. Yes. In the place of displacement, you can write I there. And for earlier understanding, I'm showing this one. So what is the amplitude? Amplitude means the strength, whether the value is 5 or 10. Wait a minute. So this subject only will be tough. As we move to new terms, we are going to discuss and compared with different subjects. A lot of care should be given for this subject. Let us take this one. Just a minute, we got problem with the slide. That's why I'm changing here. Unmute yourself, unmute yourself. So one sound we are getting. Just a minute. Last definition. Yes, in the meantime, any question is there? Anyone? Please ask me. Any general doubt what we have to invent or what we have to do actually? I'm just placing the slide. Any student, any question is there? Please put on. Any
Sir,
question?
now you tell no, sir.
Yes, yes. Tell me.
Sir, we want.
Hmm.
Sir, we want to write it in class paper, sir.
Notes. I will share in that group today. I will share the one material. Okay, that entire material you are having. Whatever I am explaining, and whatever audio, if you want to listen the entire explanation once again, that I will provide the link. So one student separately message me that hello, you can message to that student. I'll share. You can share it to your friends separately, not in group. Understanding? Audio explanation you take separately, and notes I'll put in the group here. I got problem with this slide, just no animation. That's why it is not showing. Let me check this again. Still any question? Please ask me. One second. That amplitude annulation is not moving. Okay, right. Okay, we'll do one thing. Next, it is got certain technical problem here. Slide are not able to maximize. Okay, any question is there? Now I'll post the material of today's class, the unit 1 material. Question and answer will be there that you can prepare for the exam. And later on, next class, I will tell you the textbooks, what we have to study. No need to study actually the textbook. The notes you can study for the examination, whatever the notes we are taking. Okay. One second.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. I'm just ending the this class today. We got technical problem here. Slides just lagging. Any question anybody is having? So next class, all of you please log in before the schedule, before 2 or 3 minutes. Okay. I'm just ending. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.